You're sitting in dead silence, class, meeting, wherever, and suddenly your stomach growls. But you weren't even hungry, so what was that? Your digestive system never fully shuts off, even after food is digested. Your intestines keep squeezing and relaxing. This process is called the migrating motor complex. Think of it as your gut's automatic cleaning cycle, pushing leftover food particles and gas further down the line. And when your intestines are empty, that movement gets louder, and because now it's just air and fluid vibrating against the walls. So that growl has nothing to do with hunger. Your body is literally cleaning itself from the inside, like a self-cleaning oven running silently in the background. And this cycle repeats every 90 minutes, day and night, even while you sleep. So next time your stomach growls in a quiet room, don't be embarrassed. That's not weakness, that's your body being efficient.